Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The first thing to do when setting up QuickBooks to collect sales tax is create the agencies for whom you collect sales taxes and to whom you pay the sales taxes collected as vendors within the vendors list. This lets you remit checks for the sales taxes collected to the selected vendors within QuickBooks when the time comes for you to pay sales tax. To review the process of adding a new vendor record to the vendors list, please review Lesson 3.5, the vendors list. You must create the vendor records before creating the sales taxes because when you later create the individual sales tax items, you must specify the vendor for whom you are collecting the sales tax. After you have created vendor records for all of the
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.